Operating systems, also known as OS, have been around for years and they are vital to the running of your phone or computer. They basically tell the hardware what to do and they execute programs. Operating systems. Some will run a PC, some will run a phone and some a Mac computer. PCs use an operating system made by Microsoft and it is known as Microsoft Windows, and there are many versions. Windows 1.0 being the first. Later on, after versions of Windows 3.0 were released, which introduced Windows which are used today on current Microsoft operating systems. Then Windows 9 X, which introduced the desktop, which is still being used today. Then there were other versions including Windows 95 and Windows 2000. The next major version of Windows was XP, which stood for Experimental. This boasted an updated GUI. After a lengthy development process, Windows Vista and Windows 7 were released. The next final major change was the introduction of the tile control in Windows 8, released in October 28, 2012, and is mainly used as a touchscreen on tablet computers. Other types of operating systems are the OS used by Apple for their iPhones, iPods and iPads. Also, Apple Mac computers run on other OS including OS X Lion. Also, PCs can run on Linux, which is an open source operating system that has many revision, including the most popular Ubuntu and the Raspberry Pi, which is a computer the size of a credit card and runs on it. Windows or Linux, well, it's all down to personal preference. Windows runs a lot of programs compared to Macs, but Macs come with their own pre-installed antivirus software. Linux, however, boasts not really much apart from being an open source, meaning you can edit the code.